Pandas Transpose method. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with a few more Pandas methods. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. So last video we were still in Pandas, and we were looking at a 2-frame. So we took a series and we converted it into a data frame. So now what we're going to do is we're then going to take that data frame, because I'll show you, let's do this right here, print new, and it's in this shape, but it is, and also print type new. Let's do that as well. So we have a series, so now we're going to turn this on, still in this shape. And so still this shape, but oh, we got a new index. So, and it's a frame, but to me, I can't visualize this. I need this turned into a row of data with columns of identification. So it is literally this simple. So we go new equals, and this also returns. You can do help on this method. So transpose, boom, and then we run this again, and here we are. Aha, this is what I like to see, and this is how this helps me a lot to be able to see this. And now next video, real quick video today, but actually, I want to show you this. So we have this right here. You can literally begin to stack these. So you can actually put 2-frame here, and then dot transpose. Oops. Transpose. Boom. So this is completely legal. So then we run this again. This is kind of one of the functionalities that I also want to draw to you. You're able, because this is completely legal, because once you've done this is an object. This is now an object, and you can do a method on the object that it is associated with. So this is completely legal. So all right, real quick video today. Please make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button, and if you've not jumped on the Discord server down below, make sure you're doing that. Don't want you missing out on any of the good questions happening over there. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.